Unlock the secret to breathing life into your characters, ensuring they're instantly recognizable, no matter the project. Step 1. Establish your core character in Photoshop here. I've got a rough sketch of my intended hero. I'm focusing on the fundamental shapes, defining proportions, and blocking out key features that make this character unique. A circumflex euros. Things like their distinctive silhouette, specific facial traits, and overall build. Think of this as your anchor. We're defining the essence. The DNA. I'm using Photoshop's powerful brush tools to refine the line art and begin applying base colors. Paying close attention to the primary color palette, we'll be aiming for consistency. Starts with a strong foundation. Now, we isolate the key elements, save out individual components of your character. A circumflex euros. The head, torso, perhaps a specific accessory. A circumflex euros. As separate, clean image files. Transparency is your friend here. This allows us to feed specific visual data to our AI. This is where the magic happens. Welcome to Nano Banana. We're going to upload these defined character elements into the AI. This tells Nano Banana precisely what you want to be consistent. It's like giving your AI a detailed instruction manual for your character. Now, in the text prompt area, we'll describe the character. Echoing the visual cues we provided, detail is crucial. Mention key features, style, and any environmental context if applicable. For instance, if your character has a specific hairstyle, mention its color and texture. With that in place, we generate Nano Banana will now produce variations of your character. Maintaining that core likeness, notice how the silhouette, facial structure, and even the color choices remain remarkably consistent across these new iterations. This is the power of combining our precise Photoshop work with intelligent AI. From concept art to final assets, this workflow ensures your characters have a unified presence, saving you countless hours and elevating the professionalism of your digital creations. Start building cohesive worlds today.